Right, so today's lesson is about data validation, and what we are going to do is we're going to just make sure that in here we can only put in the codes that exist in here. Okay, and what that does is it doesn't eliminate mistakes, but it minimizes the chances of making an error, which is absolutely great. So if I go in here and I highlight all of this, and you can highlight the column, folks, column works really, really well. So I've highlighted where my data is going to go. I go into data and data validation, and I go in here. Now you can have lots and lots of options here, but what we're going to do is we're just going to allow a whole number. But look, it allows lists, dates, times, but we're really just looking for a whole number. And it's between, and what I did here was, let me move this over. You put in what's in here, which is your top number and your bottom number. So we've got numbers ranging from 734930 to 734961. So that means you can never ever put in a product code for a product that doesn't exist. And especially as accountants, I think that's going to be really, really helpful. When you look at how you work in accounts, you should be thinking, how can I use this? Don't keep your knowledge in this class. You need to think how that would really, really help you outside the class. Okay? And then I can just say OK, but I can put an error alert in. Instead of stop, I can actually put in a message just saying figures must be between 734930 and 734961, and say OK. And now what happens is, if you were putting a number in there that wasn't right, what you get is, look, figures must be between, and retry. Now, you don't always need to put in the error message, because I don't know about you, but every time I hear that noise and a bleep, I just think it's not working. I just try again. I mean, how many of you actually stop and read a message? But it's something you can put in, something you can do to help folk. Okay? And that's it, folks. This is absolutely